What's the meaning of belly button? Belly button. Belly button.
Belly button. Belly button. The belly button, also known as the navel, refers to the scar or mark left on the abdomen after the umbilical cord is cut at birth. It is a unique feature of the human body that serves as a remnant of our fetal days and has no functional purpose in adulthood. Despite its lack of function, the belly button remains an object of curiosity for many people. Some cultures even attach spiritual or cultural significance to the navel, making it a subject of art and symbolism. Overall, the belly button is a reminder of our shared origins and the incredible process of human development.